Home Remedies presents
The anti-aging face lifting mask you must try at home. As you age, it's natural to lose collagen in the skin. Collagen losses can make skin less tight and may increase the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It is thought that a banana face mask can help increase collagen via silica, thereby reducing the appearance of wrinkles. In today's recipe, we are going to use banana as the main ingredient. There are some potent vitamins and minerals in bananas that make them one of the Mother Nature's most incredible beauty fixes. By combining bananas with other nutrient-rich ingredients, we can make face masks that serve multiple purposes. So let's see how. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Ingredients: banana, half banana, flaxseed powder, 2 teaspoons, unsweetened almond oil or argan oil, 1 teaspoon, milk, 2 teaspoon, rose water, 1 teaspoon. Directions: mash the banana well and add in a bowl. Then add all the other ingredients and mix them thoroughly. Apply the mask on the face for 20 minutes. Wash off with cold water and then rinse with warm water. For skin tightening and wrinkles, you can use it 2 to 3 times a week for best results.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.